Hi, I'm Bill and welcome. If you're thinking about learning JavaScript, you're most likely thinking about your future. And maybe you're thinking if this is worth your time. This skill, what you're about to learn, will lead you to real work. And if you're choosing a direction that will make sense to you, those answers to these questions matters most. And this is the smart way where people should begin. And I'd like to respond why JavaScript is a smart place to start. JavaScript is one of the most useful skills you can learn today. It is used everywhere, which means it opens up many opportunities for you. You can build websites, applications, automation, and systems. But for beginners, these words can also feel confusing because it's not always clear where to start and where to focus. The real challenge is not about learning JavaScript, but it's all about learning it deeply and using it in the right place. Deep JavaScript means understanding why something works, not just by copying code and hoping it will run. How to learn deep JavaScript is what most people miss. Many people learn JavaScript by memorizing examples. The approach will work for a while, but eventually in the long term, the approach will break down. Learning JavaScript deeply means understanding how the logic flows, knowing how the data changes and moves, being able to read code and explain what it does, fixing problems instead of guessing. This level of understanding comes from learning the fundamentals properly and applying them again repetitively in real project situations. And that is where direction becomes important. JavaScript feels very different when you use it in real systems. Inside ServiceNow, JavaScript isn't something you just learn for practice. It runs workflows, automations, and business logic that companies use on a day-to-day basis. And that is where things change. You get to stop memorizing scripts, you start understanding behavior. You get to gain confidence because you know how and why things work. This is the moment when JavaScript stops feeling abstract and it becomes your career skill. And this is something many beginners never shown early enough. And why ServiceNow after JavaScript makes sense. ServiceNow is used by large organizations, run long-term operations like IT services, employee requests, security, and business processes as an example. That means a steady demand for you, real business value, and clearer career paths. When you learn JavaScript with the goal of becoming a ServiceNow developer, this proves service level knowledge will never be enough. The platform naturally pushes you to understand the JavaScript deeply. That knowledge is what can make you valuable. And this is the reason why learning JavaScript, ServiceNow as direction, will start to make sense. Technically, professionally, and economically. What investment you actually need? And let's be clear what this requires. You will not need a powerful laptop, an expensive setup, or a special equipment. All you need to start with is a capable computer, an internet connection, a browser, and finally, your deep heart dedication. The real investment is not hardware. It's you showing up consistently and staying with it even things become uncomfortable. The return on investment on this JavaScript full course is then designated to make your investment count. You will learn JavaScript step by step from the beginning, understand what the code is doing instead of just copying it. Get to work on hands-on JavaScript, examples based on real ServiceNow development, helping you build skills that move you towards becoming a ServiceNow developer. And that return is not instant results. The return is clarity, the return is confidence, and the return is a skill, your skill set that leads somewhere real. If you started this journey feeling unsure, wondering if JavaScript learning is worth your time or where it might lead, this is where things become clearer. The full JavaScript course playlist, which you will see at the end of this video on your screen, is to help you learn JavaScript deeply, one step at a time. Start from the beginning, but in order. If you want to go further and also support the work that keeps this tutorial free forever, consider joining as a channel member. Members make it possible to keep creating clear, beginner-friendly content and get access for deeper discussions, extended explanations, and more architectural-focused learning beyond what's publicly available. Whether you watch for free or choose to join as a member, you are not learning alone. Start with the playlist at the end of the screen. Take it one lesson at a time and keep building.